Here's how to change the factory production time to 0 in the SimCity game. Follow the steps. The first step is to open Game Guardian and select the game SimCity.
Click below on the one I've marked and select CA, then save. Click New Search, then select Word. Wait a few seconds.
Click the Save icon number 1 and then click Save icon number 2. Click Offset icon and enter 9C, then click OK.
Select one of the two offset result from before. Hold and select Copy Value. Click search number 1, then NO2 and enter the number that was just copied. By holding and pasting, click New Search.
And look, the factory time has changed to 0. Congratulations, the cheat was successful. If not, watch the video again. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.